feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch.
Hey guys, don't mind that beep. So today is photo shoot date. I got my hair done yesterday and today I just finished my makeup. By the way, my hair is in a wrap. So we're doing the photo shoot for the website. I am so excited because I'm launching a new product, the Onion Isle, and as well as I already have the olive oil and rosemary gotel that you guys already know about. This beeping thing is annoying me, that you guys already know about. So I'm gonna do the photo shoot so we can get the website. Oh, and I did my nails today too, so we can get the website up and running so you guys can get your purchase. Like, you can just go on a direct website and get your growth oils. I'm so excited. Like, I can't believe I'm about to do this. We're gonna do the photo shoot today for the website, and I'm so excited about it because I mean, like, I feel so blessed and I feel so loved. Like, I feel like you guys have been supporting me non-stop throughout my entire hair care journey since I started my channel until now. Now I'm starting a hair care line. I know, right? I'm starting a hair care. Well, I start a hair care line, and I'm just so excited about it. Like, I just want to say thank you guys so much. Like, thank you so much, and thank the Lord, of course. I mean, without you guys and the Lord, this wouldn't be possible. So I just want to tell you guys many thanks. So I'm just going to take you guys up behind the scene with me with the photo shoot so you guys can see, you know, how it went and all of that. But anyway, judge my makeup. How do you guys like my makeup? And I'm wearing a top, okay? I am wearing a top. But the photo shoot, I'm just gonna do like headshot. So it's gonna be like half, so I don't really need to wear any fancy clothes or whatever. So yeah, I'm so excited. So stay tuned. Oh, also I am running late for the photo shoot, but I just wanted to like give you guys a quick update because, as you guys know, I'm showing you guys like pieces of things that I had to do leading up to the relaunch of the hair care line, or of the website. But you guys know I'm rebranding the thing. I have my logo now. I have my new labels. You guys helped me to choose the labels, and you guys choices are the best. Okay, so I really appreciate that, you guys input as well. So of course, thank you guys so much. So everything is just like rebranding, and everything's just gonna be even like more nicer, more professional, even though it's the same hand homemade natural product, but it just look a little more appealing to the eye. Okay, so it's like up from here. Okay, so I just continue to put in the hard work, and which you guys support, of course, which you guys support, and me working hard behind the scene, this is gonna be a success. So see you guys later. Okay guys, so we are here on set, and before the shoot I'm showing off some of our really nice silk scarf that will also be available on our website to purchase. I really love the size and unique pattern of these dust-proof luxury silk scarves. We will also have these very comfortable solid color reversible silk satin bonnet available on our website as well. We have a variety of colors to choose from. If you are on a hair care journey or thinking about going on a hair care journey, having one of these, either the scarf or the bonnet, is a must, guys. I cannot dwell this enough because it doesn't make any sense. You do all those nice things to your hair, but do not protect your hair at nights.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait.
We have something for everyone. So if you do not like the ones with the more frilly ends, you can go for these that has less frills and a little more tighter around the head. Okay guys, comment down below and let me know which one you guys prefer, the ones with the more frilly ends or this one with less frill around the head. These are also adjustable to your comfort. Comment down below and let me know which of the bonnets are your favorite? You guys know I could never leave out our long-term protective styles sleep bonnet. These are a game changer too. I'm not sure about you, but honestly, when wearing braids, sewing, or even wigs without the correct sleeping bonnet can be so uncomfortable. So definitely these are a must-have for long-term protective styles, and these will be available in multiple colors as well. So after doing all the hair accessories shoot, I'm just touching up my lips so we can move on to the product shoot. While I'm doing that, the photographer is doing like product shoot, one-on-one product shoot. He's the best. The Photoshop, if you're living in Montego Bay, Jamaica, the Photoshop, you guys will know that's where everybody gets their photo shoot done. His name is Dean. So you guys can do check it out if you're looking for a photographer to do your product pictures or your shoot for your business. Okay. So he is amazing. All the pictures that will be on my website, taken by him. And I've been doing shoot with him for years now, way before I even had my daughter. So this was such a good shoot, and I'm just so excited about it, guys. Look how beautiful my hair is. It's amazing. I had so much fun on this shoot. And if any of you guys is watching this that know Dean, you guys know how he can make you feel so comfortable, and the shoot can be so exciting as well. And big up my makeup artist as well, Deidre. I will leave all their information in the description below so you guys can check out my makeup artist, Deidre, as well as my photographer, the Photoshop. So all the information will be in my description below if you are interested in a makeup artist or a photographer in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Deidre also have been doing my makeup for years now, long before I even had Rome. When I used to model a lot, it was always Deidre doing my makeup. She's my makeup artist. And Dean always doing my photo shoot as well, even though I work with other photographers, but he was always my main photographer, well, one of my main photographers, and Deidre was always my makeup artist.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great.
One thing with me, I'm always in Dean's space. I always want to see what he's doing, how it's looking. When we're doing photo shoots, every picture he takes, I'm like, let me see, let me see, let me see. He is so used to me. He just know this is Tamara. She's going to all up in my space. She's going to know exactly what I'm doing. She want to see every single picture that I take. And I'm like, here I am now, like, let me see, let me see, let me see. I'm like, oh my God, we're such a good team, you know? The pictures came out amazing. You guys will see some of them at the end. I'm so excited about this accomplishment, guys. I have a business now. I'm a small business owner. Oh my God, this is, I just don't know what to say, because it's just so unbelievable at the moment. It's a lot of hard work behind the scene, but it's also exciting as well, and it's very scary. You're diving into something or an area that you don't really know nothing about, but you're learning as you go along and hoping for the best and praying and hoping and just putting all your trust in God and let him lead you, and hopefully everything will work out, So I'm pretty excited, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys so much for all the purchases that you guys have been making. And I'm so excited to see how the website is going to do on the launch date. Like, I'm so nervous about the launch date. I haven't decided the launch date as yet, but you guys will be the first to know, obviously. But as soon as I get a date, currently the website is being working on. It's not finished yet. I'm not sure when it will be finished, but I'm hoping very soon. But as soon as I get more updates, I will let you guys know. I will also be doing episodes of behind the scene gearing up to my launch date. If you guys are interested in those videos, please let me know, because I'm thinking, like, should I do it, should I not do it? So if it's something that you're interested in, please let me know, guys, so I know, okay, you guys want to see those kind of videos. I am hoping and praying that on the launch date, you guys run over to my website and show as much support as possible, because you guys, I will so highly, highly appreciate it, because this is so nerve-wracking. I'm doing this like investment, and it's just like all these changes happening, and I'm just so nervous about it. At the same time, I'm doing all the hard work behind the scene, but I'm still nervous at the same time. I hope you guys could understand that. So yeah, but anyways, let's continue back on the shoot. So we decided to lay flat on the floor so we can catch some, other angle of pictures. And this is me kind of like begging Dean to take some picture with just me without the products, because I'm full of myself, so of course I need some pictures for myself. And he was like, no more, Tamara, no more, let's move on back to the product pictures. And here I am like, let me see. And he's like, no. But anyway, back to business. So here we are. I love this look, guys. I'm just obsessed with this look,
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time.
So after this scene, it was a wrap. This is the end of our photo shoot, and Dean is just showing me a few of the pictures after begging over and over as usual. I love the pictures. I can't wait for you guys to see them. I will show you guys a few of them at the end, and you will see some on my website. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, guys.
Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight.